Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix could not find this item error when deleting a folder in Windows. Hold Shift key, right click, click copy as path. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type RD space, /s space, /q space, // question mark. Paste folder path. Hold Shift key, right click, click copy as path. Type RD space, /s space, /q / question mark /. Paste folder path. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.